Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to inspect or to replace the air filter on a Ford Fusion Hybrid or a Ford Fusion Energi. You really only need one tool, an 8mm socket, but a number 25 Torx will work. And if you've got a bit for a driver, that'll work as well to help speed things up a little bit. So we pop the hood, and when you look in the engine compartment, what you'll find is the cap for the air box has 5 bolts. And as mentioned, the bolts are a little bit unique. They're an 8mm bolt, but they've got a number 25 Torx in the center. So you can either do these by hand with an 8mm socket. You can do it by hand with a number 25 Torx. And if you want to speed things up a little bit, you can extract them with a power driver. And this should probably be inspected every oil change. If you live near wildfires, you definitely want to keep an eye on this air filter and make sure it's not too dirty. 30,000 miles is the interval for maximum replacement time. And this filter, although it doesn't look too dirty, it is at its 30,000 mile maximum. So we're going to go ahead and replace it. I'm going to use a Motorcraft brand filter. And in this case, I'm using a Motorcraft FA 1911. There's other brands that I put up on the video. These filters are readily available at auto parts stores or online. You'll notice this filter is unique in that the filter includes the seal for the entire air box. So you need to press that down to make sure it's seated. And once you get that in place, just go ahead and put the cap back on and you can start your screws. Now I go ahead and start these with the power driver, but I finish tightening by hand because these really don't need to be too tight and you don't want to risk over tightening them. So once you get those snug down, you're good to go. If this video helps you out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you know anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.